Welcome to Kwentong Bedista, ang tambayan ng tunay na kwentong estudyante. Dito, walang filter, walang arte. Kwentuhan lang ng pang-araw-araw na buhay bedista. Simulan na natin to! I'm DJ Sab and today we are going to be talking about self-worth. What makes you different? Yan ang never-ending topic nating mga Gen Z, no? But what really is the essence of it? Especially in a world where we're all trying to be like someone else. Today, we are joined by a very special guest. We have here Ate Casey Catalan. Hello, Ate Casey.
Hello mga katunog, I'm Crizel Catalan from CMS and I'm very happy to be here. Thank you for
Yes.
having me.
Of course. You know, when I found out about this topic now we're having for this segment, I traced back to the conversation that we had in the cafe. And it's somehow related to this. And I said, people should hear this too, yung mga napag-usapan natin nun. So I hope we can discuss it today. So yeah, usapang self-worth nga, no? So let's jump into it. Ikaw ba, what is your relationship, your experience with yourself, your self-worth, with how you see yourself? Kumusta siya?
Right now, it's not really like a single state of this is who I am, this is how I think, this is how I feel normally. It's a back and forth of being okay, not being okay, and like just feeling like you're in the middle, but it's never like you're stuck in like one place of like a state of being.
Yeah, we are in parang a constant crisis, no? With ourselves, with how we see ourselves. And honestly, I feel like it's easier for us to have a certain concept of how other people are than we are to ourselves. Parang mas madali makilala yung ibang tao, madaling mag-end up with like an assumption or kung paano mo judgment kung paano mo sila nakikita than yung sa sarili natin na for sure ganto ako. 'Di ba? Parang sometimes kahit feeling mo, ganito naman talaga ako, parang, ganito ba talaga ako? Yun, gano'n yung naiisip
Yeah.
mo eh. 'Di ba? Ikaw ba, does that apply to you?
Yes, in a way. Kasi what my take on that is, parang kaya mas madali with other people, like seeing how they are, is because sometimes we're not really conscious of like what we put out. So there are some like little things of like our personalities and stuff na other people notice it, but we
Mhm.
don't. So when it comes to like when people ask us, oh, like what makes you different? Why do you think ganito ka? What's your personality?
Mhm.
It's not really a straight answer kasi there are some things na we don't see.
Yeah, even though tayo naman 'to eh.
Hmm.
Parang sometimes you're
It's
not
hard to
with
figure out,
yourself.
yeah.
And dun mo when you are finally alone with yourself, dun ka magta-trace back ng mga, "Hala, ganito yung sinabi ko, ganito ako nag-react." Dun mo siya ma-o-overthink ng ma-o-overthink and dun mo talagang maiisip yung parang dun ka magkakaroon ng
Self, like,
self-doubt.
yeah,
Yes.
magiging conscious ka bigla kasi, hala, what if hindi niya pala gets kung ba't ganun ako mag-react, or like baka na-off siya, or baka like okay lang sa kanya kasi gets niya yung personality ko. Puwedeng malaking effect din siya sa kung paano mo ibahin yung
You're constantly
yeah,
altering yourself.
yeah,
Kasi, syempre, with where we are right now in college, we meet different
a lot of
types of
people.
people. Talaga, iba siya. Hindi siya yung na-realize ko, hindi talaga siya eh. Parang, kasi pag from your di ba, high school, I feel like you're all coming from the same place, same neighborhood, same ano, basta at least same area. So, ganito yung mga experience mo sa sa gantong place, sa ganyan. Parang it's kind of the same. But when in college, people come from different places here sa Pilipinas and iba yung iba sila and so tayo to fit in talagang minsan papalitan i-a-alter
We
mo.
try to like kung kung paano natin sila nakikita or how we see their personality, we try to mirror it to like
Yeah.
match yung like para magka-get along tayo. So, dun mo rin na-realize na may self ano ka rin na, do I fit in with this group of people? Do I fit in with this person? Do they think of me like this? Or am I just trying to
So,
like am I just trying to be like this so like we
they
would
will
have
like
a
me,
yeah.
yeah. And parang ang ano din kasi nun na dun mo maiisip din na, ako ba in the long run, will I be comfortable na ganito na lang ako lagi when I'm with them? Na parang I'm constantly adjusting, 'di ba?
Mm.
Ikaw ba, do you have your own experiences on that?
Yeah, like we talked about, I have this struggle na people normally see me as someone na understanding, chill lang, very masayahin, gano'n.
Yun talaga yung first assumption nila
Yeah.
sa'yo.
So, 'pag nagkaroon ng time na medyo alanganin or I don't feel okay as of the moment, like people still expect me to like show up or like medyo not the norm of me na suddenly down siya or she doesn't
Yeah,
go out of her way anymore to like help
be
people. Yeah,
there.
be there. Kasi it's not always easy to like put on your normal self. Like,
Normal,
yeah,
quote
your real.
unquote,
Yeah.
yes.
Even if it's like what people think is you're like, she's like this always, ganyan.
Mhm.
It's also hard to put that part of yourself up every day without having to go through na you're down, malungkot
Yeah.
ka. Parang you really need to acknowledge that part na hindi mo kaya or hindi puwedeng gano'n lang lagi or lagi mong napapakita. Kasi in the long run, if you keep putting like your best self out, parang
Mauubos ka,
maubos ka rin.
made-drain ka talaga.
So like, it's like you're gonna lose yourself din, eh.
And alam mo nung kinuwento mo sa'kin 'to, parang nakakalungkot isipin din na parang while you were expressing how you were feeling, sinasabi mo rin na parang parang nagkakaroon ka ng thoughts na, "Am I overreacting? Parang okey lang ba 'tong ina-act ko? Masyado ba akong nagiging sensitive?" Na parang you're invalidating yourself just to validate other people or how they're treating you, 'di ba?
Yeah. Like, here's the thing about like being understanding or like being sensitive when it comes to other people, especially people na you care about. Parang there's this thinking na you worry about how they would feel first. And when you think of like pag different yung reaction mo or if it's like something a bit negative, you worry instantly about, hala, medyo malungkot ako ngayon, medyo hindi ko nagustuhan yung nangyari. What if pag inopen ko sa kanya, mag-iba na yung tingin niya sa akin na
Mag-iba na yung relationship niyo,
yeah,
yung friendship
yun
niyo.
yun immediately.
Na gusto mo naman talagang i-keep pero hindi ka nahihirapan ka na parang baka 'pag inopen up mo talaga, sila naman yung mag-adjust. So, parang ikaw, hindi man sa sila mag-adjust fully pero like, of course, yun nga yung siyempre ine-expect mo din from that. But nagse na lang tayo na lang yung mag-adjust,
Yeah.
ikaw na lang yung mag-adjust. Kasi at the end of the day, ako naman yung magde-deal nito kaysa mag-deal tayo with another person pa.
Yeah, kasi you worry about mag-iba yung dynamic nung relationship
Yeah.
niyo once na may na-bring up ka na na it's out of the
Different, yeah,
comfort zone of the whole
of
relationship.
how they see you.
Yeah.
Pero kailangan mo talagang i i-acknowledge na iba yung epekto nun sa'yo, na
Mm.
dapat hindi talaga gano'n. Kasi it's ano, eh, parang iba yung kailangan mo rin isipin yung dynamic mo with yourself, tama
Yeah,
ba
yeah,
yun?
yeah.
Yung parang yung relationship mo din with yourself kasi we're mostly with ourselves and having thoughts na parang hirap ka, ilang ka sa sarili mo, mahirap din talaga yun. So, what is our key takeaway from this just to wrap things up, ano sa tingin mo yung parang biggest factor na we can do in order to, after having this conversation, ano sa tingin mo yung biggest factor that can influence how we are with ourselves, how we see ourselves.
Like based from our whole conversation and our talks from the past, then it's it's just really to sit with those emotions na you feel
Mhm.
na it's out of your like normal state or your comfort zone. Kasi when you explore those emotions na malungkot ka, galit ka, or super frustrated ka, when you explore those emotions, it's like you're accepting within yourself
Yeah.
na I can be vulnerable. I can be in the state na I don't always have to show up and like be my best self or like put out like my best um my
Foot.
best self
Mm.
for everyone to see palagi, because once you like continue to do that in the long run and you don't validate those emotions, you start to lose yourself, and then you won't be able to bring out that best version of yourself every day na you try to put up. Mawawala ka rin sa sarili mo in the long run. So that's what we're not trying to do, because obviously, at the end of the day, yun nga, our relationship with ourselves is what's really important before we think of how we are with others.
Yeah, and it will come naturally eventually. And I'm sure the people around you will love you for who you are, and they would appreciate din na you're saying your thoughts talaga, your real thoughts, kasi you really want to save din yung kayo, yung dynamic nyo, ganyan. So yeah, I love that. I love that. Yeah. At dyan na nga nagtatapos ang ating kwentuhan. Sana may natutunan kayo, no? Pero wag naman kayo mag-alala dahil meron at meron pa dyang kwento na itatala. Abangan sa susunod dito sa Kwentong Bedista. Kwentuhan lang, walang basagan ng trip. See you next episode. Once again, I am DJ Sab and this is...
JC!
Thank you. See you soon.